Okay, now is there any doubt in the chapter number 19? I think the fill in the blanks and question number 7 and 8 you all can do by yourself. If you are finding or feeling any doubt and problem, please मुझे पूछ लो अभी. Anyone? किसी को कोई doubt है? Is there any doubt? किसी को भी डाउट अगर है तो प्लीज पूछ लो. Otherwise, I will start the next 20th chapter. Okay, I think there is no doubt. Prism, triangular prism or pyramid. Okay, triangular, uh, triangular prism. Okay, the triangular prism basically the base and the top. Base and the top is triangle means, and triangular prism you can see a solid whose lateral faces are rectangle and the bases are congruent triangle is called triangular prism. So triangular prism. See the base. Base is a triangle. Try to draw Asta. Try to draw this. Now this is a triangle. Okay. And now first you have to dot like this. Now, now Asta, tell me, what is the shape? If if we hide this, then what is the shape? Yes, rectangle. Huh? And what is this? Yes. Okay. So I make one more triangle over here. Now I am joining this. ओके ठीक है. तो अभी सबसे पहले नाउ नाउ काउंट द फेसेस प्लीज. अभी फेस काउंट करो कितना है. देर इज टू ट्राइंगल. दिस इज द टॉप एंड दिस इज द बॉटम. ओके. एंड the yes, now there is three and these two bottom, first top is triangle and the bottom is also triangle and the top and these triangles are congruent. What is the meaning of congruent? Astha, what is the meaning of congruent? Can you please tell me? Congruent means that equal. The sides are equal and the angles are equal. Congruent means all the sides as well as angles are equal. This is basically called congruent. Okay. And now there is three face, the bottom, this and this. So but this is what, if you see if you see this is like this. एक ट्राइंगल यहाँ सॉरी, एक ट्राइंगल इधर है और एक ट्राइंगल इधर है. यस. और यू कैन ड्रॉ दिस हियर इज दिस साइड. अभी देखो, अभी कुछ समझ आ रहा है 3D शेप्स में. Now, if you join like this is now this is the face. If we join here, sorry, if we join the top of means the upper or top up upper triangle to the lower triangle, you see there is one more face. This and this and this two are rectangle only. इसको तुमने ये rectangle ही है, but यहाँ पर this is visible like a parallelogram. Yes, ऐसा दिख रहा है. हम्म. अब तुम्हें देखो, हम लोग जब छोटे बच्चे थे ना तो हट बनाते थे. यस, हट बनाते थे. और जो हट बनाते थे वो कैसे बनाते थे? सी, व्हेन वी आर स्मॉल, हम लोग जब छोटे थे तो हम हट हट कैसे बनाते थे? सी, और यहाँ पर फिर ये ऐसे दिखाते थे. इट मीन्स दैट दिस इज ऑल्सो अ ट्राइंगुलर. Yes, is this clear to you? The front and this. And now, if and this is the front portion and there is another. So this type of shape. See, if it yes, yes, like this. Now you see, at your side is triangle and at my side is triangle. And what is the base? What is the base shape? Now you place your book like this. If you place a book like this, now see, the bottom is triangle and the upper portion is also triangle. And see, this face is rectangle, this is rectangle, and if you cover this face, this is also called, this is also rectangle. Yes? Now is now it is clear. Now clear Astha, or is there any doubt? तुम अपने बुक्स को रख के, if you just put a book and you have the base may be a base and the top must be the triangle. So you can place a book on a table like this and then place one more book to cover this front portion and you can see the prism. Okay, clear? And why you don't know the meaning of congruence? तुम्हारे is there any chapter congruence of triangle in class 6 or not? I don't think कि मैंने पढ़ाया है. Just a moment, I want to check. Who taught line, ray, and okay? Who taught you line, segment, ray, line, parallel line, and angle and their measurement? Okay. Uh, when our syllabus will be finished, then we will start some chapters. Okay, maybe we will start or we will revise those chapters which are important for the next class. Okay, or if we have sufficient time, then we will revise all most of the chapters. So okay, now today I want to start the chapter number 20. Chapter number 20. Oh, before chapter number 20, Sneha, are you in class? तुम्हारा पैरेललोग्राम बन गया? नहीं. Okay, now I want you can read the question first. Read the question first. ठीक है क्वेश्चन पढ़ो. पैरेललोग्राम. हम्म. 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 You don't know the draw. You know how to draw the angle 60 degree? Okay. No. Protector? Don't use protector. You can use compass to draw the 60 degree. Okay, now see the angle is in this the angle P is given 60 degree. Okay, SPQ means that the angle P is given 60 degree. So first we draw a line segment PQ. Okay, you can now draw please with a scale, proper measurement. So I don't have scale और मैं यहाँ पर scale से draw नहीं कर सकता board पे. So now the PQ is equal to 5.6 centimeter. Draw a line PQ which is equal to 5.6 centimeter. And then angle P. Angle P is 60 degree. So put a compass over here, draw a small semicircle, and without changing the radius, you can put a compass over here now and then cut like this. Is this clear, Sneha? How to draw 60 degree? And this question is for others also. Try to understand everyone. This is a point. First we put a point here, draw a semicircle, then without changing a radius in a compass, we put a compass over here. The next point we got on a line. We get on a line. Okay, then put the compass here and cut. Then draw a line like this. Now this is 60 degree. Yes? Is this clear, Sneha? And now one parallelogram's property. Property is what? Sum of sum of adjacent. Sum of adjacent angle is equal to 180 degree. And the second is opposite sides are equal. Opposite sides are equal. Is it visible or not? And the second is opposite sides are equal. Okay. Now, if this is 60 degree, then angle P plus angle Q is equal to 180 degree and angle Q is equal to 180 degree minus 60 degree, which is equal to 120 degree. Now at angle Q, you have to draw 120 degrees. Now how we draw? Again take a compass, put an arc like this, like this. Is this clear? First make an arc, and without changing the radius in an arc, you can put a compass at this point and cut first and then double it. First we cut here, then again like this. It is basically the double of the, means first we draw the 60 degree and then make a double, that is 120 degree. Is that clear or not? Sneha? Now draw a line here. Okay, draw a line here. And now what is the other side? If it is 5.6, so PS. So now take a compass and take a radius of 5.2. Now take a compass and take a compass and take out a radius 5.2 and then put a compass at P and make a arc like this. This is 5.2. And with this also you can do like this and now join this. And this is also 5.2 and this is also 5.6 centimeter. And this is 120 degree. Is it be clear to everyone? Now Sneha, it is clear. And today I want ki you can draw this parallelogram and send to my personal WhatsApp. I want to check it by today. Okay? तो और सबका बन गया? किसी और को कोई प्रॉब्लम थी इसके अंदर पैरेललोग्राम के अंदर ड्रॉ करने में? ओके, ठीक है, तो ये एक बार दोबारा समझा दिया, क्योंकि मैंने देखा था स्नेहा का रॉन्ग था, उसने कुछ अजीब सा बना दिया था। एंड सी स्नेहा, वन मोर थिंग, व्हेन यू ड्रॉ अ राइट कंस्ट्रक्शन, यू सी दिस लाइन इज पैरेलल टू दिस एंड दिस लाइन इज पैरेलल टू दिस। ओके, तो आज शाम को मुझे बना के भेजो। आई वांट टू चेक। Okay, now we will start chapter number 20. This is two-dimensional reflection symmetry. Two, okay, already completed. Good, good. 21 is completed. So I want to know, uh, everyone know how to bisect the line, how to bisect the line, how to locate the center of a line. Good. आज मैं दूसरों से पूछ रहा हूँ, सौरभ, you know what is perpendicular bisector? Saurav, you don't know the perpendicular bisector, how to draw the perpendicular bisector. Okay, now one more thing. Everyone is clear with chapter number 22, dimensional symmetry? Everyone is clear? Answer it fast. Huh? Okay, now the Asta is clear. Who say no? Chirag? Okay, you are not clear the all. Hmm. Okay, then 21st chapter is done, and now the data handling. Okay, ठीक है, ये क्वेश्चन नंबर 20 मैंने मार्क कर लिया है. So 21 is done. So at the revision, I will focus on the chapter number 20. Now today chapter number 22, data handling, it's done or it's left? Astha? Okay. Now today I will give you the uh, intro, or important. I will tell you the important things that is in the data handling. First, the first it is a data handling. Okay. Now what is data? Data क्या होता है? What is data? The word data means information in a form of numerical figure. Means word data means numerical, information in numerical data, numerical form. Okay. Now, for example, we are in class 6. What is the information about the class? Number of girls, number of boys. Yes, girls. If we go with girls, so height of the girls. Yes, and the second thing is the weight. इसी तरह से बॉय को भी हम, बॉय की भी इंफॉर्मेशन में हम ये कर सकते हैं, हाइट एंड weight. So a data contain information. A data contain information regarding or information regarding the class 6 in the numerical form. Yes, is this clear or not? कि what is data? समझ समझ में आया कि डेटा इज अ और भी बहुत कुछ हो सकता है इसमें, और भी बहुत कुछ हो सकता है, मैंने तो जस्ट बहुत स्पेसिफिक लिया। इसमें ये भी हो सकता है हेयर कलर, इसमें भी हो सकता है हेयर कलर, आई कलर, ठीक है, ये सारी चीजें। तो दिस इज बेसिकली कॉल्ड अ डेटा इंफॉर्मेशन, each and every detail about the student of the class, either it is a girl or a boy. दिस इज बेसिकली कॉल्ड अ डेटा। तो ये कितना बड़ा कलेक्शन हो सकता है अब तुम्हें समझ में आ गया। बट द डेटा मस्ट बी इन द न्यूमेरिकल ऑर्डर, न्यूमेरिकल फॉर्म। सो दिस इज द डेटा। अब नाउ इफ यू आर इन अ क्लास 6, तो एक डेटा हमारे मार्क्स से भी रिलेटेड हो सकता है। दिस इज रिलेटेड टू द मार्क्स, दिस इज रिलेटेड टू द मार्क्स। क्लियर? अब इसमें तुम्हारे पीटी हैं 1 2, द नेक्स्ट इज 9th पीटी, 1 to 9 पीटी, देन सम 1 and 2। yes, so if we are talking about marks of a class 6 student for the year, जैसे this is the year 20 and 21, so there is 10 PTs in a whole year, there is 2 summative assessment in a whole year। ठीक है, आई एम नॉट टॉकिंग अबाउट द ऑनलाइन क्लासेस, आई एम जस्ट talking about your offline classes, then there is a 12 10 PTs and this, and all the record is stored in the form of numerical, basically in the numerical form। Now is it clear what is data? अभी किसी को कोई डाउट है? गुड, नाउ इट इज क्लियर, ओके। Now let us see one example। Let us see one example। Marks of 10 pupils of a class in a monthly test। This is 37। One information is not here. One information is not here. The test is out of, means ये टेस्ट कितने मार्क्स का है ये इसमें गिवन नहीं है, ठीक है, बट ऐसा क्वेश्चंस में नहीं होगा। द मार्क्स ऑफ द 10 पीपल ऑफ ए क्लास इन अ मंथली टेस्ट and the total marks is not given here, you can consider it the total marks is 50। so now the values are 37 21 43 16 25 21 28 32 45 and 14। okay, and now if we arrange in a tabular form, then how do we arrange this? कोई आइडिया बताओ? एनीवन? स्नेहा? आस्था? गिव मी आइडिया टू अरेंज दिस नंबर इन टेबुलर फॉर्म। नो, नो, अगर स्टूडेंट का ही नाम लिखना है तब उसकी इंफॉर्मेशन को हम कैसे, ये तो एक स्टोरेज है, या तो हम एक मतलब दिस इज नॉट अ दिस इज इन अ टेबुलर फॉर्म, मार्क्स ऑब्टेन बाय 10 पीपल ऑफ द क्लास, उसका ये है हमारे पास, दिस इज द रिकॉर्ड बेसिकली। और नाउ वी आर मेकिंग अ we are making a tabular state to summarize it. Summary, basically the summary is the tabular state, summarize. So first we take a range and then number of students. So the range is 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, and now 40 to 50. Okay. Now we can consider 0 to 10 koi hai? No. Means 0. 10 to 20 koi hai? Is there anyone 10 to 20? No. 0. 20 to 30 hai? Yes. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes, one student is there. Yes. So now, in between 20 to 30 is 1, 2, 3, 4 student is there. 4 student is there. Okay. Now 30 to 40, you can check 30 to 40 hai koi? 1 and 2. Two student is there. Now 40 to 50, yes, 1 and 2. Now check the total. I think one number is missing here. This is 2. Now the total is what? 10. This is visible to everyone? Now see, this is a summary, kind of report related to this. This is called data handling. Clear? This is basically, and these datas are called raw data. Raw datas. Okay? And this is called a customized data. Okay, bye bye. Take care, everyone. Now time is over. I have to take the next class. And try to read this page number 234. Today there is no homework. You just can read the page number 234 to clear or to collect the information related to this chapter. Okay? Okay? Clear or not? बात समझ में आई? ओके बाबा, ये देखना है रॉ डेटास और ये क्या होते हैं. यू कैन यूज इंटरनेट while you can use internet also while reading or doing this.